Hi, I'm Christopher. I'm a computer consultant, and I try to participate daily in the preservation of the environment. It is by noticing that we use more and more packaging cartons in our online purchases and watching my 3 children playing with a packaging box that came to me the idea to reuse these packagings and create a new gaming house from a recyclable cardboard box. The cardboard house. Here is the cardboard box. It is a small suitcase that turns into a house, castle, school, or any other place of creative play. It allows you to store and carry all the accessories inside. Once unfolded, it is transformed into a fantastic set of games. With the cardboard house, you have a creative, recyclable, eco-friendly toy at a very affordable price. Offer creative moments to your children. Help them develop their creative spirit. There are hundreds of different designs based on this model, who are to be created. The one in the presentation is only a sketch of what could be invented. Stickers also make it possible to personalize each decor by the children and to make them unique. The different types of models are unlimited. Here is the presentation of the commercial version in development that we wish to commercialize soon. Your help will allow us to finalize infographic designs, the production start, and marketing communication. The price of these cardboard consumer toys will be very affordable, about €9 per unit. If you are interested in this project, please share it on the internet, and why not participate in my cardboard house project on Kickstarter.com crowdfunding. If you wish more commercial information, contact us directly via our website, yourbox2.com. Thanks for viewing this video.